Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed the Tiki, and you're watching my channel, Mohammed the Tiki, and Education for Us All. Welcome to our kitchen once more, where we are going to make a very, very simple dish for our segment, Cooking Made Simple. Okay, so it is something that Mum used to make quite regularly. It's a very, very simple potato patty, as we used to call it, or tiki, as other people would call it. So what we have here is boiled potatoes, various other herbs and spices. We've got garlic cloves, we've got chilies, we've got egg here that's already been whisked. We have breadcrumbs, we have coriander, we have garam masala and various spices, as we say. So can we start to mash that first, please? Mash that a little to start off with, so that it starts to take shape. Okay. Once it starts to take a little bit of shape, and then we're going to add the egg. Okay, putting egg into there. And give that a good mash. Or a mix. So we've made quite a large quantity there, viewers, and it's going to require quite a bit of gram flour. You could put corn flour in as well. So by my reckoning, that'll take at least 6-7 tablespoons. Okay, this texture has got to be really thick, viewers, because you're making, well, kebabs almost, really, aren't you? So something else that we could have in Ramzan. Okay, the mixture's taking place, so can we add coriander into there, please? Okay, and chilies and garlic over there. So 3 chilies. So chilies as per taste. And garlic. And we've got 3 chilies. Give that a good mixture. So like I say, it has to be really thick. Can we add the spices to that, please? So what have we got there? Turmeric. Oh, that's chili. Chili powder. About a teaspoon, if you... Yeah. Is that turmeric? Yeah, that is turmeric. We have salt. And we have garam masala. Okay, give that a good mix. Okay, we've made the mixture a little bit runny, so you have to make the shape once it's in the pan. So if you want to put the breadcrumbs on straight away, then you have to make this mixture a little bit thicker, otherwise this is the alternative. Okay, and they will fry away there. It will take at least 3 minutes on both sides. So like say, we're going to put breadcrumbs on those once we've got the shape that we want. So press it down to the to make them a little bit bigger. That is perfect. Okay, and breadcrumbs going on there. That is lovely. Okay, so these breadcrumbs have got some spices in them. Those out of a packet. Okay, once they're ready, look on the other side. And the other one. Oh, that's cooked nicely. And there we have it, guys. Lovely, lovely potato and egg patties, or tikis as my mum would call them. That is it. I do hope you're going to try this very simple recipe, viewers. Until the next time, I thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. नाजरीन उम्मीद है आप ये बहुत सी सिंपल टिक्की रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे. Until the next time, अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआ में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.